Hi, I'm Curtis from Bitter Neumann, and I have another shopping tip for you if you're looking for a new freezer. This chest freezer is still a great economical option. This one in particular holds 175 to 200 pounds. One of the best things about chest freezers is they hold and maintain temperature for long periods of time. Probably the best part is if you had a power outage, this will actually keep your food cold for several days. And I think it's a great option if you're looking for a new freezer.